namin.
Video ba yan?
Video yan.
Oo.
Dito po yung nilalagay yung mga bag ng guys sa pang-araw-araw na ginagamit nila. Ito po yung aking kasama. Jack Sparrow, Jumar. Kapitan ng Kapalanda. Pipinya. From Mindanao, Jinsan. Kababayan ni Pacquiao. Lapit tayo. Dito tayo. Ipasok mo yun sa kan. Day ba guys?
Yes, day ba?
Good morning everyone. Hello ma'am, good morning ma'am. Baby na ma'am.
Paano?
Diba?
Good morning. Pantulong-tulong, walang mahirap. Drinks?
No, yeah, that's drinks, yes.
It's good, nice.
I thought I needed.
Diba? Brother.
What's your name, ma'am?
Christine,
Christine.
yours?
Ivan. Call me Anchorman.
Anchorman.
Yeah.
Aquaman.
Camera.
Cameras? Here.
It's a separate place, no?
Okay. Good place.
Separate place, no?
That's a good place.
Are you sure?
Yeah. 100%. Sa...
Yeah.
Good.
That one goes right.
Alright.
Tissue?
Tissue?
That's also
Oh,
Ah, okay.
yeah.
okay.
Hello. Ready back, guys.
Very good.
Good, you?
Yeah, it's not bad. Very good.
Very good.
Thank you so much. Ricardo. Archie.
Ricardo. Commander.
Nice to meet you.
Ivan Hans.
Hey. Espanyol.
Anyala. Ilang ka sa atin, Che? Che, ilang ka sa atin? Yung guest po namin ay 22 packs, 3 days and 2 nights. Nilataan to Porong, Lido.
Anak ng Commander Ivan Hans.
Diba? Susunan.
Ivan.
Yes, brother. Good morning.
Ito man naglaho ng Pilipinas. Kaya sulpot yan.
Good.
Respond.
Hey, brother. I'm ready.
Alright.
Kapa, sige, kapa.
Please, sa susunod na video naman ulit. Thank you guys. Please follow.